Hi, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Ontd to participate in Flamingo Vault. This tutorial is designed for Ontd wallet users who hope to mine FLM, that's Flamingo Finance, in Flamingo Vault. To begin, make sure your Ontd wallet is up to date with the latest Android version 3.5.2 and the latest iOS version 3.5.0. Ontology's self-sovereign data wallet is a one-stop mobile application for the management of your digital identity, data, and assets, giving users the power to control the value of their data. So, step 1. Download the latest version of Ontd from ontd.app/f. You have options of downloading from the App Store, from Test Flight, get on Google Play, or you can download the APK from that link. Step 2. Create or import an Ontd digital identity wallet. So you create a new ID or you import, as you can see in this video. Note: please try to switch the network or restart the app if the creation fails. You can also import your new wallet in Ontd. Click on your personal file, enter the wallet management page, choose import new wallet, and fill in the private key in WIF format. Congrats on successful import. As you can see, this image explains it well. Just go through this image, and you will see everything I just said now. Step 3. Transfer new or Ontd assets in wallets of Ontd. After you've done your transfer, in step 4, swap the cross-chain assets. You need to swap the new or Ontd assets into the cross-chain assets based on NEP 5. Let's take the Ontd and new assets as examples. Swap new to end new. First of all, enter the market page, click on the DeFi project Flamingo, and click the swap icon in the upper right corner. So now the next thing to do is enter the amount in the new to end new swap window and click on the button swap now. Congrats on successful swap. You can go back to the asset page to check your end new balance, just like you can see now in this image. Now, to swap Ontd to PONT, you need to start with swapping Ontd to Ontd. Click on the 3 buttons on the top right corner of the market page and choose Ontd swap. Like you can see in this image, enter the amount in the Ontd swap window, click on the button swap now, and input your password to confirm the transaction. Please note this transaction consumes around 0.05 ONG as transaction fee. Next, swap Ontd to PONT. Choose the Ontd PONT pair of the asset page, enter amount, click on the button approve. After that, input the amount and password again. Click on the button swap now. Please note this transaction consumes around 0.1 gas as transaction fee, as you can see in this image below. Refresh the swap market page until a reminder pops up. You have an asset to collect. Click on the button confirm to receive the PONT. Step 5. Enter the vault page to deposit cross-chain assets. Click on the Flamingo project of the asset page, taking end new as an example. Click on button deposit. Enter the amount and password to confirm the deposit. After a successful deposit, you can check the assets balance on dashboard. Step 6. Withdraw FLM assets. Click on the claim button at the bottom of the page. Enter the amount and password to withdraw your end FLM asset to your wallet. Withdraw cross-chain as assets. Taking your NU as an example, click on the withdraw button and enter the amount and password to withdraw NU assets to your wallet. Just look at as you can see in this picture. Note: swap and stake ERC20 assets. Onto of Android version 3.5.2 and iOS version 3.5.0 does not support ERC20 asset swap, but supports the staking of PNUSDT, PNWBTC, PNWETH into Flamingo Vault. In future versions, Ontd plans to integrate Flamingo's Flamingo product module to facilitate users to swap the ERC20 assets with ease. Currently, you can visit the Flamingo official website, that is flamingo.finance, to learn more details about swapping ERC20 assets with the new line extension wallet. Withdraw assets from the old Flamingo Vault contract. If you have already deposited in the vault before the relaunch of Flamingo Mint Rush, please withdraw your asset from the V1. Enter the Flamingo project page. Click the V1 in the upper right corner, like it is in this image right here, and click the button withdraw to withdraw the assets. As you can see in this image, if you have any problems using Ontd app, please contact Ontd via contact@ontd.app. Hope this video was explanatory enough on how you can earn Flamingo on the Ontd app. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more instructive video or tutorials.